Welcome back, everyone. In today's feature, we're excited to introduce you to Vidu, a groundbreaking AI from China, which is making waves with its ability to generate stunning 16-second high-definition video clips. Developed through a collaboration between ShengShu-AI and Tsinghua University, Vidu uses innovative universal vision transformer technology to create videos that are not only realistic but also imbued with rich cultural elements. What's fascinating is how Vidu seems to draw subtle inspirations from OpenAI's Sora, reflecting a blend of global AI advancements. Stay tuned as we dive straight into a full demo of Vidu, showcasing its impressive capabilities in real time. Let's see what makes Vidu a standout in the world of AI-driven video generation.